Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenza to TV. It's the World Cup qualifiers. Bafana 3, Rwanda 0. I'm joined by my brother Ikama Puma Wupi.
Long Melvin Malachi, Puma Corella is a view in Pumala.
He came in when I
I came a gumuyo. He came the gumuyo. Not the coach with one chap, the second cool by Tabangile. But Ankalil and I last game was why Banga Fablum fan of Pirates are snares. Today, we prove it. Mako Bandoski, I bet you are saying that Chabo coach with Hopang sheet on us. Umanga figure, Utos Patala. It's combined to another prove out Pola has just banned by undermining Pola wearing my feelings. Let us prove it and assist. There be a channel code. What else do you want?
As for now,
press in Rwanda Saibamba. I think the ball position was 90-10. So I'm afraid to Shabli the song. Let's keep supporting Bafana. Next year, World Cup. So let's go. Man
of the match. Before man of the match, I
have 3. I need a police. I teach immediately out.
Yes.
Number obvious.
Yes.
Let's send me a I beg it.